Hello, welcome to a quick look at one of Fulford Science Department's applied courses. This short video introduces the BTEC Level 3 Applied Science course, and there is a separate video covering the new Forensics and Criminal Investigation course. So in a nutshell, this applied course covers all three sciences in a very practical, hands-on way, and it is assessed by internal assignments as well as terminal exams. It does allow students to earn UCAS points in exactly the same way as traditional science A-levels. Let's introduce you to the department. So my name is Mrs. Faint and I'm the curriculum leader for this course and currently teach on both across both Year 1 and Year 2, Dr. Fogg teaching in Year 1 and Mr. Lynn teaching in Year 2 of the course. So let's have a look at the course across the 2 years. In Year 1, we've got an exam-based unit and an assessment-based unit. And at the end of Year 1, you will have completed effectively half of the course because all 4 assignments for Unit 2 will have been handed in and assessed. And there are 3 40-minute exams which covers the Unit 1 Principles of Science, so that's more of a taught-based unit. So that means you certificate in Applied Science at the end of Year 1 and then we roll you on to the Extended Certificate course in Year 2. Now this unit is a larger practical unit. It covers 5 topics. It's all about science investigation skills. And the assessment is an experimental data task where you collect your own results and you take that forward into a 1.5 hour exam. And Unit 8 is a smaller assessment-based unit. So who does this course appeal to? Well, really it appeals to students who've got a broad interest in science. Maybe you want to carry on covering all 3 sciences, but you don't want to give up other options too for your other 2 option blocks. It definitely appeals to students who prefer a mix of internal assessment, what we used to call coursework, rather than 100% terminal exams. And it allows students to go on to university, take on apprenticeships. It provides them with a skill set which is very valued by both employers and higher education settings. So here are some of our students. These are Year 12s and they are working on Unit 2. They've designed this experiment, they've selected their equipment, they will justify it in the write-up, they're collecting data at the moment, and then they will evaluate it. And these 3 pictures are some of our Year 13 students. They've been given a task which mimics the exam requirements at the end of the year, so they're collecting data that they would take forward into an exam situation, so that's a practice set up there. So the big question is, what is the course worth? And the results from each subsection combine to give you a grade ranging from a pass up to a distinction star. And these have an A-level equivalent. So for example, a merit would be equivalent to a C, a distinction an A, that should say distinction star, would be equivalent to an A star at A-level. And 99% of higher education institutions in the UK accepted BTEC as part of their entry requirements in 2019. So our course requirements are clearly set out here, and I personally think one of the main requirements is a commitment to be organised and be able to meet deadlines. That's important in the world of work, and it's very important with the assessments that are part of this course. At the end of each year, I do a survey and I often get comments like these back, the students confirming that this course has enabled them to take the next step in their career path. This slide shows where previous students have gone to, some to university, some on to scholarships and apprenticeships, and some straight into the world of work. If you decide this course is for you, then we have some transition material available on the VLE to help you prepare. But now, let's go and hear straight from one of our students about his experience of the course. So this is Reese, and he is studying the diploma in forensics and criminal investigation. So Reese, what interested you about taking this course at Fulford?
Well, it's a lot of variety really. You can go on to uni. There's a lot of courses at uni that you can take, criminal justice and law and stuff. And then also the coursework and the exam-based assessments. I like the mixture because it means it doesn't all go down to one test.
So you like that style of learning?
Yeah, it's a good style of learning.
Okay.
You can keep on top of your work very easily with it.
Brilliant. Okay, thanks very much. Sorry, and why are you dressed like that?
Oh, it was just strap fancy dress, Halloween soon.
Thank you. So in summary, why come to Fulford? Well, I think you get great choices on courses that would complement this one, and great teaching too. We also have a lot of fun. This is some of our students completing one of their assessments safely, even though it was Halloween dress-up day. If you'd like to know any more, then please email me, and perhaps I can even put together a frequently asked questions page for you as well. Thank you for listening.